Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of GN Talks. I'm Legano, this is Mitchell, and today we're going to be talking about how you can start selling Amazon for less than $100. Now, the title of this video is how to sell on Amazon, how to start selling Amazon for less than $100. Mitch and I personally recommend that you have at least 1.2K to actually start getting involved in the Amazon marketplace. And the reason we say this is because there's a lot of different fees, involved with starting your business. There's business registration, you have to pay fees to the state. You most of the time have to pay a franchise tax for running a business. And on top of that, if you want to buy inventory up front, a lot of the time that's going to require a little bit more capital than $100. And while you can start selling Amazon for less than $100, quite personally, Mitch and I's own opinion, it's going to take you a lot longer to find the same success as someone who starts with $2,500 and, is willing to put that in off the bat.
So going off of Emiliano's point that you can start selling on Amazon with under $100, but we prefer you have more, there are many ways that you could start selling with under $100. So first off, it's important to understand the finances. Now, when selling on Amazon, it costs you $40 per month to maintain an Amazon professional account. And what I mean by professional is just the name of the certain membership of creating the Amazon seller account. Now, that'll cost you $40 per month. Now, something that most people don't understand is that Amazon payouts are bi-weekly. Now, for example, say you get $2,000 in sales in a single day, and then you need to use $1,000 of that for inventory expenses. Well, Amazon payouts are bi-weekly, so you won't be able to get that $2,000 paid out right away. And instead, it will be paid out after 2 weeks because, again, Amazon payouts are bi-weekly. You won't get that amount paid off. So in a sense, you need to have liquid cash on the side to be able to fulfill orders, because don't rely off Amazon to pay you out for another 2 weeks or potentially even 4 weeks. Now, you may be wondering how we actually deal with these problems, and a huge part of selling on Amazon is being able to actually leverage credit. Now, as we mentioned, there are ways to sell with under $100, but this means that you won't have a registered business, and it's really hard to get approved for good business credit cards unless you have a business company registered, which will allow you to get a business bank account, which will then allow you to build a better reputation and connection with the bank, which will then lead you to getting even better business credit cards, because business credit cards are way better than personal credit cards. And while that is the case, you can still be using personal credit cards for your Amazon business. So you can start an Amazon business for under $100, but it'll be important for you to be able to have the credit lines available to be able to fulfill orders, because again, Amazon won't be paying you out every single day because, as I mentioned a few times, their payouts are bi-weekly.
Now on Amazon, the business model that Mitch and I follow is we sell high and we buy low. Now, what does this mean exactly? Essentially, it's a form of drop shipping where first you get paid by the customer, then you go and buy this product. But like Mitch stated earlier, there is a 2-week gap to when Amazon holds your money and when you get paid out. So like what Mitch said, we end up leveraging credit in order to fulfill these orders. Now, the major benefit of this business model is you don't actually have to spend money until you pretty much have that money in your Amazon account. What this actually does, it lets you have a really high scalability factor and essentially be able to take your score from, $0 to $50,000 relatively easy in comparison to other models like FBA on Amazon. And, unlike Amazon FBA or, unlike private label, you don't have to buy these products first and take on that sort of risk. Instead, you list a product, you see it's in demand, you get orders, and then you go and order that once you already have, orders in queue on Amazon. And what I personally recommend is you start off with really low ticket products, regardless of if you're starting with $100 or $2,500. And the reason you do this is really build up your score, build up your metrics so you can eventually, get into more profitable product categories, open up more doors, and, be able to sell higher ticket products.
So this means that if you're going into this business model with less than $100, you need to be ready to put in a lot of time on managing products on your own and managing customer service on your own. And then over time, once you build up enough capital to then go ahead and outsource, do that, because not only will that give you much more free time, but it will allow you to grow and scale your business to highly profitable levels. This also means that you will be scaling slowly, which is completely fine when someone first starts an Amazon store. You want to scale slowly because imagine that you own Amazon and then someone comes onto your platform, just starts listing hundreds of products out of nowhere. Well, you might feel a bit sketched out and trigger something within that store in the algorithm. And because you have less capital, you will naturally be scaling it slowly, which is good. But if it gets to a time that you find a winning product, you have a lot of products consistently selling, pushing a lot of volume into it, that's when you want to look into pausing your store, because this means if you have less than $100 and not enough credit lines, you won't be able to consistently maintain product. You won't be able to maintain being able to fulfill these products. And the more issues you run into from that point of view, you're going to get a lot of customer inquiries, and this will, in a sense, ruin your store performance. And store metrics / performance is really important because that shows pretty much how reliable of a seller you are. And the better customer service you provide, the more Amazon favors you in their algorithm. So taking all of that into account, it's super important to know when to actually put your store on pause. So yeah, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe, leave a comment of what you thought about this video. Again, our Instagrams are down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and have any questions for us, go ahead and shoot us a DM. We always love connecting and networking with anyone that wants to get in touch with us. And yeah, again, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Adios.